Mae'r syniad o gael tân yn cartraf yn frawychus i ni gyd, dwi'n siŵr. Yn ddiweddar, nes i drafod hefo Shan sydd wedi profi yr union beth hynny, i glywed am ei phrofiad ac i glywed pam ei bod hi yn cefnogi'r ymgyrch i achub ein gorsafoedd tân.
I lived in a remote farmhouse up above Capel Curig in the mountains, and yeah, my house went on fire one night, a windy night, chimney caught fire, spread through the bedroom, and I tried phoning the fire engine, and different stations couldn't find us. The station that did find us and save the house was actually our local fire station, the Gorsafoedd, and of course they're postmen and local workers, so they knew exactly where I was.
So important that people get there quickly. It must have been terrifying for you to have that experience.
It was. I managed to get it. Well, one daughter was away, thank goodness, because it was her bedroom that went to light, and the other daughter, myself and the dog, got out okay. Yeah, but it was scary, and we lost a lot of stuff from, you know, my youngest daughter's bedroom. She lost everything in there, all the soft toys, everything that went. And it was what terrified me was the silent black smoke coming along the landing. And really, if my middle daughter hadn't woken up, we would have been dead before any flames got there. You know what I mean? So it really is a terrifying situation, and I've always been really grateful to Gorsafoedd firemen ever since.
That just sounds horrific, and it just highlights how terrifying fire is, how important and how brave our fire service are in what they do to save us in this situation. How important it is that we support them now to make sure that they retain their work, and just how important it is to have somebody down the road who understands your area, who can get there quickly.